Now let's take what we've learned about our C natural minor scale and make those two other scales, those two other types of minor scales that we will need to know. The first one we're going to talk about is the harmonic minor scale. So I have the C major scale. So let's first do that. Let's change the C major scale to a C natural minor scale by lowering scale degree 3, scale degree 6, and scale degree 7. So now we have two C natural minor scales. Now, how to go from a C natural minor scale to a C harmonic minor scale is just one scale degree, and that is scale degree 7. We want to raise that again. And there we are. Now we have a C natural minor scale and a C harmonic minor scale. Notice this leap. That is a leap of 3 half steps, and that's actually what we want. In the future, we'll call that an augmented second. So again, in that C harmonic minor scale, from natural minor scale, all you have to do is raise scale degree 7 and create that 3 half step leap from scale degree 6 to 7. Let's do it again on a different scale just to make sure we have it. Let's write out a D harmonic minor scale. And let's do it on one staff and follow the entire process. So we start at a D and we go from D to D. And let's first do major, which we should know really well. Whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, and half step. So now we have D major. The next thing to do to make this from D major is to go to D natural minor. And in D natural minor, we lower scale degree 3, scale degree 6, and scale degree 7. So now we have C natural minor. And now one more step in the progression to get to D harmonic minor. It's that scale degree 7, and we raise that again, making that 3 half step jump from B flat to C sharp. So D harmonic minor is actually a scale that has both a flat and a sharp. And that's how we create harmonic minor scales. Now let's proceed to melodic minor scales. Notice up here we have a C natural minor scale, and notice we have it going both up and down. That is a requirement for your melodic minor scale. That's not necessarily a requirement for the natural minor scale, but I wanted to write it out so you can see it compared to the melodic minor scale. So between the natural minor scale and the melodic minor scale, there's only 2 slight differences. And that is specifically on the way up, and it's scale degree 6 and scale degree 7. Those will be raised. To A natural and B natural. We do that because look at what happens between G and C. That actually looks like major, like a small portion of the G major scale. That creates a nice drive from G up to C. Notice again the B flat and A flat from natural minor are there on the way down because that makes a nice drive down to G. So that is your C melodic minor scale. And let's do it one more time on a different note. So let's say we wanted to write out the G melodic minor scale, and let's do it all from scratch. So first we take a G and go all the way up to G and then back down. Now let's first make it major. You should hopefully know from all the times you've practiced your G major scale that we have an F sharp. Let's make sure that we have an F sharp on both F sharps, the one going up and the one going down. So that is G major. Now let's go to G natural minor by lowering scale degree 3, scale degree 6, and scale degree 7. So here we are. Here's scale degree 3, 6, and 7. Let's do it on the way down too. Scale degree 7, 6, and 3. So now we have a G natural minor scale going both up and down. Now let's make a G melodic minor. So going up, scale degree 6 and scale degree 7 are raised. So here we are, there's scale degree 6 and scale degree 7. So that becomes an E natural, and that becomes an F sharp. We can put this natural right there just to make sure. So you'll notice the craziness that happens in the top portion of the scale, but that is what we want. And just to confirm, from scale degree 5 to the top scale degree 1, we should have what looks like major. So that is how to make a melodic minor scale.